So here I am going to explain about the not the on. I'm tell you about only the ongoing project. But we have started. We are a small group of farmers, and we are working on this homestead farming for the last 10 years, and we have already established 413 homestead productive farms. We have already established, and normally when we think about this, our motive is the minimum space, maximum diversity, and fruit trees will be we will promote more fruit trees, and also pest repellents, mineral accumulators, and water harvesting, soil conservation plus carbon proofs. This will be everything. If it is a small place, also we will focus on it. So we have so many issues of regarding the climate change, and we are also facing so many issues. And you all know that Kerala is having the best homestead farming models, and also now it's an issue that it's not productive. And this also climate due to climate change, we are also facing so many issues, and we think that this is one of the our food forest. This is a concept is how we are. I will explain how we are implementing. So this is the way how we do. That means we will be having a route. This is the percentage how we do, how we are doing. So first of all, if a person, if anybody want to do this food forest, if in homestead farming, first of all, it is a compulsory that they should attend the camps. It's because it will be a full day camp. In the camps, they will be having a detailed visit, and we will think about all those things, and they will be visiting 8 to 9 food forest peers will be visiting, and it's an online, not offline. So online farm. It's good. It's very good. It's going on good. And after camping, and if a person he is very much interested, and if those who want to do the food forest, we'll have a resource mapping. We will think about the all those issues: soil, wind, water, the source of water, and the diversity, and also for the making we are the compost. We have a special composting method is there, and also we will think about the resources for the compost also. So after resource mapping, we will think about the planning. Plan that when we are going to plant, and we will fix the first. We will think about the date of planting, and what all things we want, what all things or diversities we want. So we will be thinking about all those issues. And after planning, we will be thinking about the composting. We have a special methodology of composting. We have maximum diversity. Maximum diversity is our focused thing. So when we are doing also, we will be focusing on the in composting also, we will focus on diversity. So this is our aerobic composting model, and you can see this one is a small picture. And we want when we think about the composting, we think about the quantity also. So here all degradable waste are resources which will be treated as resources, and uh, this is our way of making compost, and it will be taking only 60 days. This will be okay within 60 days. The quantity will be there, and when we applying the compost to the plants, minimum 2 cubic feet compost will be to every plant. We will put 2 cubic feet of compost will be there. So after composting, that means it is we will say that our countdown starts. So on the 60th day, we will be planning to the plantation will be done. So before that, first of all, we will make a land development activity. So normally we will take the missionaries for the support, and we just want to make it movement comfort. So it's a food forest, and we should be very difficult. We should have easy movement should be there. So we will think about the movement comfort without disturbing the topsoil. So after this land preparation, there will be a layouts preparation. This we will be making. We will be always we are doing this only in a square planting methodology. So aesthetics also should be there. So we'll make it with the survey equipments. We will be making it straight line like that, only with square planting like that. We will be doing. After after that, we will make the marks to a paper, and first canopy management will be done in the paper. So so after the sketch, we will plan how what all canopies we want to fix. So will be a division of covers: big canopy, medium canopy. So such plans will be split in the sketch only. So it will be easy. If you are making a sketch, it will be very much easy, so that we can understand what all things to be added and how many plants we want. and what are the in big canopy how much we want, medium canopy how much we want, small canopy how much we want. We will get the correct number also. And also this picture is a commercial option. And actually this is our homestead farming methodology. The space is, you can see this is 40 feet square space, and you can see how many plants are there. This is not a, this is not a dream, this is a real picture. Actually we are doing it. So after that we will be getting the, we will think about the plantation. Normally we will be taking pits, 3 feet depth which will be taken and filled with topsoil, and after that we will be putting the top level, we will be putting the compost, 2 cubic feet compost will be there. So after that, after the planting, after then we will have a planting in the center, we will have a live mulch, and you can see the live mulch in so many things are there. And also by doing this live mulch we feel that we are getting food, and also this mineral accumulation, pest repellents, everything is there in the same pit. So it's a productive one. And if you are planting a one tree also, you can do this. This will after planting 2 days, I think. So this when we do is between the plants on in the down the plant is a live mulching we say, and outside there will be so many spaces will be there, and we will say we are using live shading. And for that we will be taking maximum variety of pulses, millets, cereals, green manure, oil seeds, and we will take maximum varieties, and we will be splitting in between spaces, and we will have a till, and we are getting food from the 70th day onwards. First of all we will be getting leafy vegetables, then by after 550 fifth day we will be getting baby corns, and some pulses will be there. It's a continuous process, and finally we will be getting by our planting time is normally on May or June 1st. This is our normally our planting time, and we will be getting on December by January red gram. And we support only drip irrigation. We are very much focused about the soil conservation and water harvesting, and we support only drip irrigation. And also we support fisheries also. If it is a small holdings, normally we don't have big holdings, maybe 25 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, goes like that. And if they have a drip irrigation, we support fisheries, and they will just so the utility water, first the water goes to the fisheries, and when fisheries we will go to the drip irrigation. So there is a fertigation, there is a circulating work also will be there. And this is our, I think you can see by canopy management we will be having fruit trees, and also we will be putting this on tubers, maximum utilization of the space without by based on canopy architecture. So this is a picture from one of our LP school, and we have done works in colleges, schools, and homesteads. And you can see the students, they are having some leafy vegetables only. They are having leafy vegetables, and the students, they enjoyed it. So these are the direct benefits, because we are not a scientific persons. We are only farmers, and by correcting the issues that is we developed in this way, because the picture what we had on 2015, we don't have now that picture now. So always changing is there. So you can see the benefits. Then so many challenges, and that means it is not easy to convey the benefits of drip irrigation. So many things are there, but and also covering, you only support, we don't have a clean agriculture, we have a green agriculture. We always take issues for to cover soil with the greenery and all. And also you have heard about this Miyawaki, that also it's not a productive one. I don't know why the people are supporting Miyawaki. And this is one of a degradable plant what we have. So degradable plant business, that all that is removed. It was a hill, and you see it's 65 feet topsoil was removed from this place. And we have an experience of doing like this work also. And you can see It is a degradable work because it is clay soil and no water holding capacity. So many issues are there. It's a 8-acre plot, and before when we started the work, it was 20 years. It was a wasteland for a long time. It was a wasteland. So this is only we can tell about the scaling. We are happy to collaborate with CFI to scale up food forest in India. I think I don't want to tell so much of things, no. Then we have supporting from so many things. We have a permaculture design, and also we are taking. First of all, we will put only one-time compost is applied, and after the planting, after 2 months, we will be putting only Jivamrutam, and we don't have anything more, and we don't have any pest because of diversity. And if you are planting 25 cents, we will be planting around 100 to 110 plants will be there. And in this case, we will be having a diversity of around 60 to 65 species will be there. In case of banana, we will have so many diversities. In case of, and normally we promote the indigenous species. And also the beneficiary, if a beneficiary want exotic plants also, they can put also. And normally we will not take the risk. We take only this only indigenous species we support. Our principle is like that, but the beneficiary can have their own freedom. And we have so many visitors from so many visitors are there. So, and also those who come to our place, they also give us knowledge and sharing. We will get so many experience also. Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph. Your concept is already being taken up by Dr. Rekha for her project.
Yes, Dr. Rekha has already.
That is good. Yeah.
And also, I am very happy to know that CFI, when I read the abstract of CFI, I feel that the same picture, what we are planning and everything is on the same picture. Yeah.
We are on the same line.
Yeah, we are on the same line. And actually, we always focus on this compost and carbon footprints.
Yeah.
Making so much carbon or biomass to the soil, that is the focus.
Yeah. So
We would like to document some of your success stories on our website, if possible.
And thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
But
And you see, we are from only a village, and also only village. We are only village people. So you can see that I am not good in English. Also, I don't know. You can understand all. I don't know.
Very good.
It's okay.
Very good accent.
No, but I am talking from my own feeling. I'm talking from my own feeling, from the heart.
I have
Because
a question.
I won't tell you anything without feeling.
Yeah, I have a question. So you established a foundation, which is essentially you and your colleagues, and from a farming perspective, where you have a lot of perspectives which are very different to scientists, which is very valuable. So how would you see a collaboration with CFI and recognizing the consortium? What would you want to see as a kind of collaboration?
Actually, I really believe that this should happen everywhere in the households, because this is a productive version, and anybody can do it. When we implement the proposals to if a person come to us, we will always have. It is not our project. We just go and implement that. We don't do like that. We will take they also should have their own efforts. And I think that CFI, like people, if you are taking this, so many chances are there. And also we are facing so many issues on food also. And we are also facing the same thing. So we don't have any good food. And you see, if you're having 20 cents or 25 cents, if you have 25 cents, and normally we say it is good if a 4-member family is there, it will contribute around 60 to 65% of your food. And you should take tubers also.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're telling that I won't take tubers, that's not possible.
No.
Tubers is very hard. It should be taken. And exotic, it's okay, but we should give importance to our indigenous species, I think so.
Absolutely.
Because that it will be, risk bearing will be very low.
Yeah.
Very low.
Maybe a comment I would make. You mentioned Milwaukee forest systems as a stupid idea. Milwaukee forest system in your Milwaukee. You said
You see, no. Miyawaki is unproductive. We are putting so much of so much of effort and resource. It is a waste. It's my personal opinion. I don't have any arguments. And why, I don't know. we all have always discussion.
Yeah.
Why we are supporting Miyawaki a project like this, and you see so many amount of money, effort, and also there is no freedom for the plants.
But there's a lot of similarity between what you present and the
No,
Miyawaki
no,
system.
sir. This is a productive version.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Okay.
see,
But other
yeah.
people, but they have to remember that these are very locally contextual. So what's productive, what isn't productive here might be productive somewhere else. I work with a lot of African programs that love Miyawaki systems,
Okay.
and they can
No.
be productive there.
Okay,
so.
sir. When
Yeah.
when we think about the food forest, in the case of food forest, it should be benefited.
Yeah, yeah.
Each plant as compulsory should be benefited, and you can see the food how is going on. You'll be having. I'm not joking, or I'm not saying simply. We are just enjoying that. We get food from the 17th day, means you will be having 17th day. You will have food.
Yeah.
You will get leafy vegetables. You will get. On when it is 55th day, you will be getting baby corns, and pulses will be there.
Yep.
It's going on like that.
No, I understand. Very good, very good. I think we wrap up. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sure, yeah.